All right. How's everyone doing this morning? Bright and early morning. Just doing my final little touch-ups right now. We're in the project, uh, but we'll be getting started momentarily. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hope everyone's having a pretty good weekend. I love Saturdays. It is my one day off because I like money. All right, we're good. We are good and golden. All right. So I do have this uh, audio that I need to plug in. So let's do that. Um, voices, and I think I need to make a new folder. I'll just call this like miscellaneous because this is like a news broadcaster, and then we will create a queue for it. Go ahead and save it. And we're going to try to set it up the same way as we have the sound effects. Not sure if it's possible, but I'm going to look and see. Yeah, it'll be possible. Okay. Yes, it most definitely will be possible. I think I want the same distance. Where am I at? I'm in the wrong room. I think I like the same distance as this clock. Let's see what it is. No, it needs to be larger than that. Maybe roughly that size. I don't know. I feel like the radio would go louder. I might do waterfall size. But we got to remember that we have this trigger point right here, right? So we don't want these two things overlapping, right? So I might move this trigger point further down. It's like way down there. Actually, no, I won't need to. It can actually stay right here because once you get out of bounds or whatever, we just got to make sure it's okay. Okay, I got it. I got it. I got it. So let's go ahead and duplicate waterfall. I think I'll do the waterfall because the waterfall has the biggest source. So I'll duplicate it and just name it radio announcement as such. And we will jump in here. We will take off that and just throw in the new sound. Make sure that everything else, see, that didn't stay, so I got to change that. And it needs to be, I think it's fountain, fount. There we go. We'll do that one. Okay, cool. And now we'll do coding. We need to add a variable, and I'll just make it a boolean called played, delete, get, and then what would I do on overlap? Event overlap. Okay. Yeah, begins on overlap. Come over here, branch it, do that. If true, nothing. If false, play the announcement. Um, nope, that ain't gonna work. Shoot, will that even work? I might have to put this to a trigger. Let me think about this. I might have to put this to a trigger. Um, because if we do an overlap, it's already going to be playing, right? Because it's right here. Let me try this. If I delete this, no, because if I don't delete it, it'll go everywhere, right? Let's open up the actual file and see if I can't add the attuation to that. What's it called? ATT? Yes, right here. Okay, we got this now. Now we'll do fountain like that. Let's go ahead and save that. Come here. We're going to delete this, right? I think. Oh, I gotta tell it where to spawn though, don't I? God damn it, man. This shit's see that's the problem with this stuff. Um well not necessarily, because it'll have its little yeah, we're gonna do a trigger. We're gonna do a trigger. Let's just get rid of that. Get get out of that, get out of that. Um delete it. And we'll put a trigger, I guess like from here to here. Let's rename it to radio announcement trigger and then move it to environments. It's still selective. Got to go into the level. There is quite a bit of stuff going on in the attic over here. Let's go ahead and say on begin overlap. I'll have to add the variable to here though, instead of the other place. Because I don't think I can add a variable to the actual sound effects. I don't think I can. Doesn't look like I can. No. Okay. I'll just call it announcement. And I don't even think it has to be globaled. I think it can just stay right here, and we will just get same concept. And then if it's false, we will get the Q. And then set it. I guess we can test to see how this is gonna flow and work. I'm not sure how it's going to work. Cause like where's it gonna spawn? Where's it gonna go and do all that stuff? But it is just playing this audio cue. So is that audio cue gonna go over other shit? Stuff like that. Cause I wanted it just to play right here. So I might have to get actor location or something. That's what I might have to do. How's everyone doing today? If you are, go ahead and hit that like, hit that follow, say something unique in chat. Would really appreciate that. X's and O's. There we go. Got the key. Get out of here. I should probably just put my start player thing. I'm thinking about changing this too. Ooh, God, that's so late. Really got to test that at some point. Could add a couple notes as well. Oh, I can't even go in there yet. I got to go all the way around, don't I? Yeah, we're going to set our player to. I got to change that. Need to make it a little bit larger, it looks like. Got quite a bit of this developed, though, I will say. It just like working on it just a little bit, an hour or so a day at a time, really starts to add up. Soon as Green Arrow gets here, we will be coding some inventory. All right, moment of truth to see what happens. And then there's another trigger talk box over there so I can really test it too. Yep, they overlap. And it just stays. All right. All right, so I mean, I guess. Unfortunately, it doesn't spawn there. So I need to spawn maybe like get actor location. Let me look. Um, could add a trigger point maybe. I just can't remember how to do that. Um, but Deke has a trigger point, right? God, my brain hurts just trying to figure this shit out sometimes. Might be in the actual Deke encounter. Oh boy, I really got to organize this thing, make it a little bit neater. I kind of did make it a little neater, but geez, still. Yeah, it says right here, get all actors of class, and the actor was target point. Really? Is there only one? Interesting. So if I go into viewpoint, will it be more than one target point? No. Huh. Okay. Uh, maybe get actor location. Let me try and find another blueprint that's similar. I don't think any of those. This one might. Get player pawn. Okay, so I need to probably get actor location, set actor location. Plug it into there, and then it should be okay. But I need to have an actual actor for it because there's no actor for it right now, right? And also in the BP Ghost, see the BP Ghost, it's already placed. So that's what's going on here. It's already placed. I wonder if I did this wrong again. If I take the attic and I do this and I do the audio set overlap, well, I need to have a overlap for it, don't I? I could just make a BP for it. And then it could get the actor location. Got another idea too. Get player location. No. There's a get actor location. It says Radio 7. Is that what that is? If so, that's perfect. Yes, it is. So I just had it selected and I said get actor location. All right, perfect. And then we can do the spawn whatever, right? Set actor location. This can go away. Like that. And the set actor location would be the sound. Like that. This might not work. We'll find out though. Let's go ahead and save it. Give it a good old jolly college try, y'all. Break my project. Where's players start? All right, now we don't got to go very far. We can just start right here. And see if it spawns and silences. No, it's not going to work because it's a queue. Um, okay, I got it. I know what I'm going to do. Let's make the BP. Again. Announcement. Go into it. Delete fountain water. Go into miscellaneous. Put in announcement. Should already have. Does not have an attuation, but that's fine. I'll just add one. Fountain. Compile. Save. It's called BP announcement. Now, we got the BP. So this gets the location of that. We need to spawn and set spawn actor from class. Oh my god, god dang it. It's a fucking orange one. It would be let's see, BP announcement. I don't know if that'll work. I can try, but sometimes it'll change it. It did. Okay. So let's go ahead and break that. We won't need the set actor location because it's going to spawn it to this location right here. Boom. And I won't even need this. I will just have to time it on the destroy. I got to destroy. I am back, but got to open the door to the dog periodically. Okay, no problem. All right, so I'll go ahead and fiddle with this later. I'm going to get Green Arrow on the line so that we can begin our coding. How you doing? Oh, okay. All right. All right, so we got this over here. I think this might work right here. We just got to get a destroy, like spawn, do a delay, then destroy. So I need to figure out how long that sound is, but I want to make sure that it disappears over distance. So that's the concept of this. So let's go ahead and try again just to see if it spawns. You back? Oh, okay. Okay, so currently what I'm yes, so I got the trigger and I got this location, and from this location I am trying to spawn this announcement because I only wanted to be played once, but I want it in a confined area. If you leave, then kind of like how we did with the fountain and all that. But it's only going to play once, so I got it spawning on the Radio 7 actor location. I'll just have to put a delay and destroy actor. Right now, I'm just testing to see if this actually works as intended. Because if I get away from that radio, it should quiet and then get silenced over time. So probably won't. I'll probably end up breaking it. It did, but it stopped. Once I left, it stopped. It didn't even play. It just said now for today's news. And hold on, let's see what happens if I just stay there. Warning: reported while playing error. Awesome. I love errors. Errors are amazing. If I would have stayed there, will it continue to play or not? It does. And this is working as intended. Still hear it. That's fine. But once you get out of the whole area, it completely stops. And that's not as intended. Interesting. Well, at least it's working. BP announcement is nothing. All it has is this. Which I'll have to add subtitles and all that too. But I didn't say destroy actor or anything. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. Uh, but it's not bad. It's working exactly how I want it to. It's just that one little hiccup, like, oh, I ran out of range. Let me go see what he's talking about. So they run back or the player runs back. I don't know. I could put a timer on it. Maybe the timer would change that despawn thing. Hmm. But I figure this right here works pretty good though. Better than what I thought was gonna happen. All right, so I guess we can get started on the inventory now instead of fooling around with this thing. You know what I could do? Oh no, it won't work. Even if I put this as looping, it still wouldn't work because it triggers on a trigger box. So that won't work either. That's fine. It's whatever. Go ahead and save this thing and then we get started on inventory. All right. Okay. Uh that's fine. I can just keep it as is. So there's that. It's fine. It's cool. Do 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 do. Let me go ahead. I don't either, but it's all good. Give me one second here, Green. Oh, never mind. We're good. Go ahead. Yeah, yes, I could. Unfortunately, when I did that, it followed my character everywhere it went, and even overlapped some dialogue and other shit. So because when I first did it, I did it like that, and I just did the play, and I'm sitting here running around all over here, all over town, through here, back through here, and I I did. I put this right here. I put the cue. I didn't put our sound. And the queue even has the uh, ATation too. Where's it at? Oh, it didn't have the ATation. This had it. The Soundwave had it. Hold on. The Soundwave had it, but the queue did not. That could be the reason why. So I could just get rid of the spawn shit and just. I mean, it still need the location for it, right? So but then every radio would have it. I have to make a duplicate. Hold on. I need to find that. So let's do radio. Here is radio, which is. Oh, it's just a static mesh. Okay, so I got to make a BP. BP. Radio. Oh, I was wondering why that wasn't working. I was sitting there looking for the damn thing already, getting ahead of myself. Of course it didn't fucking select it already. That makes sense. All right, then now. So that right there is the sound. And add. Yeah, put the fountain one. But it already has it on there because you see it right already. That's exactly the same one. See? That ain't what I that ain't that's not the yeah. That is yeah, it's gonna keep replaying. That's why I didn't do it this way. As soon as you played it, it just plays. That's why I went with the trigger box. All right, give me all right. Give me 1 second. I got to take the wins where I can, okay? I got to take the wins where I can. All right, all right. Time for an ad with Rumble Premium. So, let's see. I personally do have Rumble Premium, and it does make my life so much easier. So that's the reason why I will do this particular ad. You probably noticed Rumble is growing fast and it's not slowing down. They're building a real alternative to big tech that puts creators first and actually protects free speech. They pulled out of France and other countries because of it. Sorry, Green Arrow. I know you're from Francie. And now there's Rumble Premium, an easy way to upgrade your experience with Premium. You get ad free viewing across platforms, no pre rolls, no interruptions, just the content you came for. Plus, premium members unlock exclusive contents like bonus videos, behind the scene drops, and more from their favorite creators. Right now, Rumble is offering $10 an annual subscription. Just go to rumble.com/premium. Use code studios at checkout. That's rumble.com/premium. Promo code studios. No ads, more freedom, and content you actually care about. That's the deal. And it is an amazing, amazing company that does look out. So I would really appreciate it. And so would Rumble. Take care. All right, let's go ahead and complete. He said, fuck Macron. Yeah, exactly. Well, yay, one more done, one more done. Awesome. All right. So you said an auto play. It is auto activate. Untick it. Oh, okay. And now we go back to the mansion right here, right? Yeah, we can get rid of all that. Yeah. No, it's not the same radio though. I made a BP for it. And then we just get all actors, right? By class. Get. I'm learning a few little things. A few little things. Not much, but I'm getting the hang of get all actors. Let's just put it that way. So we did BP, was it radio? Yeah, BP radio. And then now I don't know what to do. I guess I guess get the copy. All right. This one right here. Ah, God dang it. This one right here. Or it might be dialogue if you're trying to get it through the player thing. No, that's fun. Audio. Cast 2 audio. Okay. That's so fucking weird. That is so weird that you got to do it that way. Oh, that's even better. That's even better. We got an issue, but it's not going to fix it. We're just pecking away at it. I don't play at all. There's always an error because I've been dismissing the error for like a week. So I know it's not this. The same thing. Where we putting it at? Here? F9 is not doing it. It does go there. So the fuck up's right here. Oh, look, more shit. I wonder. I wonder if we can just do. Nope, that don't work. I mean, it'll just do that, but sure. I mean, what I do, I just hit add audio component. Yeah, it's called announcement. Announcement one. Okay. Yep. Well, we don't have that other thing now. We don't even need this, it says. So the only thing that we did different was um yeah. Yeah, it should probably work. Appreciate everyone that is tuning in on Rumble. If you can go ahead and say fuck you, give me fingers, some kind of emote, just any sort of unique chat. I'd appreciate it. All right, let's go ahead and check this out now. While I currently break shit and while Green Arrow tries to fix it. Oh, God. Okay. Well, it played, but it's not playing. You just seen it. I just hit the thing. No, because I can walk over and have another thing go off. It's like 2 feet away. Here, I'll show you. Come on, you asshole. There we go. So I can go if I can find myself. There's always a blueprint. Well, the last time I looked at them, you didn't even comment on it when I brought it up. That's why. Here, I'll do it again. It's the same ones that we had. Well, sometimes they have fucking like when I do a light, I have to redo everything. It's so retarded. So that's the reason why I was going to attempt that because if I open up this slide, let's take the ceiling light for instance, and I oops, sorry, not the ceiling light, these things. So if I go into this, when I change the get all actors or whatever, I have to literally delete this get and get a copy again, and then replace this and all that other stuff like this right here. I'd have to replace, and then down here, anything that this get is connected to, I'd have to delete and put in basically the same exact thing. So that's the reason why. Oh, we can fiddle with this shit, this fucking radio thing. And then because the inventory was supposed to be the focus, we got sidetracked on this stupid fucking yeah. See, that's what happens when we have such a big time change. All right, so let's go ahead and just I was just checking to see if that worked. It did not work. So, hold on, let me try something else. Let me look up fuck you. Nope, that for some reason that node's not there. Let's just start on inventory. Get out of here. There we go. All right, what do you want to begin at? Okay, sounds good to me. Um, I mean, sure, why not? Just so that that option is available. If you want to sort by quantity, or there's not going to be a whole lot of items, to be fair. I'm right now. I'm brainstorming. I'm thinking there's going to be four different potions. There's going to be lock picks, and then like a currency. That's what I got in my mind so far. Uh, I don't think there's a point in even doing any like you're finding components of crafting to combine shit to make potions and stuff. But as of right now, it's like what, five items, maybe no sorting, since it's only five items or that I can think of right now. I mean, it could change, but I doubt I'm gonna think of too many fucking items that can be found. All right, blow that nose. Appreciate everyone that is in Rumble. Appreciate all of you. Go ahead and poke that like button and say hi, thumbs up in chats, or lurk. Hello back. All right. Probably should make a whole new folder for inventory rather than no, I should be able to put it in classes. Yes, or drawers. Yep. Um, I don't think so. I don't think so. See, because I think it'd be in here if it was. So we got new game and we got interactions. I think all okay. This is from the BP lock picking, so it's interaction. Oh, they're right there. The parent, right there. Interactables, BP, inter. Got to go to class. It's right here. BP interactable. Yep. Okay. What would I name it? Items. What kind? It's okay. Bless you. Okay. All right. So this is it. Just right. Just save it and good to go. Okay. What do we got? Okay. So name, and that would be name, text. Okay. That might get confusing though. Name. Yeah, I'm thinking that there might be like a vending machine, and you can put some change in there to get like the potions or something like that, and that'll be an integer, right? Float. No, it's gonna be um no. Let's just do float just to be safe. Just to be safe. Uh, sell price. Well, the good thing is, I guess I could add some junk items too now, since you can sell. So there could be a few things to quote unquote sort. Okay, we got name, buy price, sell price. All the other stuff like stamina recharge or whatever, that's going to be in the other portions, right? This is a very general thing. Quantity? Okay. Well, yeah, you buy it at one, but I figure you could have like five of the same potions or something like that. You know what I'm saying? Okay. 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 Icon B2 D image, right? Texture. Uh-oh. Right here. Texture 2D. Right. Cool. All right. And oh, and the event graph like this, and then double click on it. You got it. Okay. Okay. When we click on, okay. Lights or whatever, or lockpicks. Okay. Oh no, it should be in key items. Copy that mess. Don't think I have to change anything. All right, cool. Gotcha. Sounds good. Give me 1 second, Green. Sorry. Last time, I swear. All right, all right. Doing another ad for Rumble. Hope you guys are considering it. Um, if you haven't already, make sure you download the Rumble app. It's free, simple to use, and the best way to stay connected to the content you want. I see. I got the Rumble app on desktop and also on the phone. They're updating the phone more and more, thankfully, and it's also on TV as well. If I do recall, I do have it on my TV, but I don't generally watch it too much because I don't really watch too much TV. But my phone, I do. Anyways, let's see. Well, see, I done got sidetracked. Once you got it, search for my channel and hit follow. That way you'll get notifications every time we go live. No missed shows, no extra steps. And they just recently added notifications for standalone videos too, not just live. So that's a good addition that Rumble did. You can grab it right now using the link in the description or the pinned live chat. Download it to your phone and you're ready to go. And if you prefer watching it on the big screen, Rumble is available on all major streaming devices and smart TVs. Just search for Rumble, follow the channel, and be part of the action. And I would greatly, greatly appreciate it. I ain't no, I ain't no dirty sellout. How dare you, Green? How dare you? I advertised only Rumble. I didn't even advertise anything else but Rumble. I'm not a sellout when I use it. Darn you. All right. Well, hey, I can turn my camera off. That's a plus. Now all I need is freaking unique chatters. 15 of them. That's gonna be terrible to get. Oh, okay. Is it CON? Kun? Yeah. Okay. There it goes. Okay, I got it now. At okay. I was so sure you'd be like, okay, add a function. I was so certain. Do 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 do. Can... Okay. Good. A new structure? Just look up structure, I guess. Structure. Uh-oh. Oh, it's not MVP at all? Uh, I'm not seeing structure in it. Okay. It is in Blueprint. Interesting. All right. What you wanted? Object structure? If I spelled it right? Because that is not how you spell objects. Oh, I put it as BPI. I probably shouldn't have done that. Probably should have just said object structure. Right. Let me just take out this and just do that. I I swear we've done this. Why does it seem so? Where the fuck? Oh, was it? Okay. Cause I. Oh yeah. Cause we did the. Okay. All right. So we just have to do like name all the items in here, right? Okay. Give me a second. All this stuff in. Okay. So yes. Okay. So name, and it'll be text. Add a variable. By price. Float me. Why does it have so many variables up here? I don't have that many variables. This was like 4, 5, and then 6. So weird. So price. Instead of the float. And then I caramba. Which is a texture 2D. Boom. All right. Save and go. And then delete all the stuff that's in here. All right. Where do we add the object structure at? Right here or I I am inside. I am in. Oh, okay. I'm about to say I am inside the item. Mm. Man, that coffee is so good. Do. All right, new variable. And then we're looking for the structure on for this. Object. That's it. Woohoo! What do we have here? What is this? What folder? Okay. Data. Uh-oh. What do we got for? We got data layer, data flow asset. That's not it. Oh, here it is. Data table. Pick a row structure. Item. Uh-oh. Oh, object. Okay. You told me to. Okay, so let's say stamina potion, stamina regen, uh, all that shit. You don't want to what? Okay, let's do stamina potion. Row name. Oh, and then the actual name. Uh-oh. But I can't change anything but that. Oh, right here, name. Okay. So this will be called a stamina potion. Say buy price of 50, sell price of 15. I don't have an icon though. Um, hmm. I don't have an image of it yet. Okay. I'm probably just gonna put in a temporary 2D image in here as well. So I got to make the images. I'll just put it as that for now. The left arrow. And while you're doing that, I'll just add the. Do you want me to stop adding the items or? All right. All right. Ooh-wee. Okay, so get rid of the item table and object structure. I'm blaming your sickness. That's what I'm doing. It's like Green Arrow's Green Arrow's just not thinking clearly because of his sickness, which you've been sick for like a long fucking time. My wife was sick for like 2 weeks, dude. Felt like fucking 4 years so far. Now I deleted these, but for some reason I think my shit just locked up, bro. Okay, there we go. See, it's all good. Buy price. Said by the time we're done with this, you gonna know how to make an inventory system. Sell price and then icon, uh, texture. All right. Oh, add base item as a variable. Oh, okay. That's it. All right. Okay. Okay. Awesome. Right here. You said add. Oh, say that. Okay. Well, the one, two, three, four for the hotkeys, and one's gonna be faster regen. One's going to be an instant amount. You know what I'm saying? For both uh, adrenaline or anxiety, whatever I'd name it, and uh, stamina. So there'd be that's all I can think of right now. Like I was trying to think of other stuff, but gotcha. Okay. If what? Okay. Effect. Okay. Generally speaking, float's probably a better one to use rather than integer. Or is there like a computing to where integer computes quicker than floats or something? Okay. Right. Right. I got you. On this right here again, or in general, like this. I think you said an enum, right? Enum, right? This right here. Yeah. Okay. Gotcha. Gotcha. Okay. Effect. All right. That's fine, dude. Effect type. Okay. Go ahead and go into it. Hmm. Da 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 da. Okay. Okay. Right. Stamina regeneration, and then in description, it regenerates stamina. Yeah. Okay. Oh God, that looks so fucking terrible. Eyes, for some reason, always makes it look fucking retarded. Okay. Instantly recovers stamina. Okay. Call it. I'm trying to think. Should I call it adrenaline or anxiety? Because I don't want it to go down. You have to use medication for. It's not going to be like stamina. But eventually, adrenaline does go down realistically. So I should probably call it anxiety. So I'll do anxiety. Uh, and, that's spelt wrong. One second. Mm-hmm. There it is. I knew I spelt it wrong. ANX. Anxiety. Uh, not. Um, sub. Oh God. You know what? We're just gonna go with adrenaline. Just because it's hard to come up with anything decent. So I'll do adrenaline. Degeneration instead of regeneration. Uh, adrenaline levels over time. Uh, Instantly brings down adrenaline levels. Okay. Um, those are for those, anyways. Do I have to add lock picks or shit like that? This is only for the effects. Okay. Yeah, that's what I was noticing because it says effects, so I figure it's not gonna be tied to this. I was just prying. It'll probably be into like the same thing as let's say money or something, or let's say trash loot that you could sell because it's not has no effects. It's just like a base item type thing, right? Okay. Um, I would like to have collectibles, or I say trash items. I meant more something like I find a pocket watch. You know what I'm saying? But those types of items, those could go into the inventory and sell. I do want a finite amount of inventory slots because I just don't want a whole lot of things, and I want people to actually do exchanges between the vending machine to have fucking slots. So I'm thinking somewhere on the lines of maybe 12 slots because that'll be a good balance because maybe even have an upgrade to increase it to 16 because you will be finding keys, right? And uh, you will be have a those 4 potions guarantees more than likely taking up slots. So I don't want people to be overburdened, but I don't want to open up inventory and just be scrolling for fucking years too. So I'm thinking somewhere around maybe a 12 start out. Yeah. Yeah, money is not going to be an actual icon. It'll probably just be in the bottom of the inventory. So that's not going to be actual pick upable. But lockpicks, I do want lockpicks taking up a slot in the inventory, and sellable loot to be taking up inventory as well. Uh, and of course potions. BPI. I don't. Oh, this is usable. That's not that one. That's the base, right? A new child. Okay. I think all that is saved, isn't it? Okay. Okay. That'd be under what? It'd be new game instance. No, it's not. Is it? Yeah. Yeah, it's integer. It's an integer. I was looking for a green and I was being retarded. New function. Take damage. Input. Damage received. That is spelt way wrong. There we go. That's still spelled wrong. No, is it spelled wrong? Receive. No, I think it's right. Fuck it. Boolean. The top one. Get set. No. Uh huh. The green one? Okay. Uh, just this one? Oh, take that out. All right. Yeah. Okay. Are you trying to integrate a lot of the stuff that's on the lock picking system to our system so that it's not like fuck assery? Yeah, because that lock picking system is a little fuck assery for sure. Okay. So that structure we deleted, we got to make another one. Structure. Alrighty. What do you want to name it? Item stack. You got it. Buy price, sell price. Editable. Okay. What's up? Oh, just type item. Okay. Item. Oh, B, it should be B item base. Oh, god dang it. Was that the right one? Single? Okay. Okay. Quantity. And this is going to be an integer. Okay. Right. I think that's it for that one, isn't it? Delete the item stack. Talk to your boss. See if he'll allow it. Hmm. At least there's some good music playing right now. That's all I gotta say. do, 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 do. Oh, what is going on? Oh, that's what happened. Okay. Yeah, sounds good to me. Okay. I think I understand because as long as there is a lockpick, you can keep lockpicking until you're out of lockpicks completely without having to redo your lockpick or something. Oh, okay. Right. So many variables. Easy. Okay. Money. Should I call it Frank's? Yeah, look. We should call it Frank's to represent France. Wasn't it France that used Frank's? I don't know. Yeah, I know. That's why I said we should do it to represent. Oh, yeah, single. I don't know why it automatically. I guess because this one was an array, it made that one an array. Okay. Max amounts like that. Right. Uh, more than nine for the. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right. Gotcha. Compile. How you doing, Syntho State? Now what? I you said Adam stacks inventory component and default. Oh, right here. Okay, gotcha. So it's gonna be nine. Right. 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 Gotcha. Okay. Where we adding the functions at? Also in here. Add to inventory. Oh, okay. Su- subtract. Subtract from inventory too. Okay. Stack number. Okay. Just say item. Okay. Santos stay working on his game too this morning. Hell yeah. Oh gosh. Time to do some circles. Okay. Right here. Uh, you wanted to go where? Right over here or right here? Okay. Like just plug it in to that. Okay. I got you. I got you. So we get name. How do I what? Compile the two of them. Compare. Equal. Uh okay. Yep. Got equal. Oh, exactly text. Complicated shit. Boom. Uh you said set array. Yes, right here. Set. Yes. Oh boy. Okay. And what Green Arrow says is, "This is why I hate blueprints." Well, it doesn't look pretty. I will say that. Loop body goes to the branch. Function. Which one? Okay. Output. You said position, and it's an integer. Haha. Yep. Fucking visual coding. Complete. Uh. Oh, I didn't drag position out. Sorry, no, that's not shit. Bit. Hold on. I'm probably got to compile, maybe. Right here. Yeah, right here. Okay. Yeah, the green one to here. Uh, right here, right? Everything looks good then. All right. Boom, boom. Item BP item base and quantity, which is integer. There we go. Find this one right here. Drag it. Uh-oh. Top one. Oh, okay. I thought you were gonna tell me drag that line. Get or set. Okay, gotcha. True. Equal. You said lower, like okay. This one. Okay. Yeah. And Green Arrow says, "Oh, this is just math. It's easy." Mm-hmm. It's like not for me. Green Arrow does make this shit look easy though. I wonder once we get inventory fully done if that lockpicking stupid shit from cache and all that stuff or that bug that I keep showing you that, you know, but it's due to editor shit. I wonder if that'll stop. Da, da, da. Is it make? Okay. Make item stack. That's something new. That's crazy. Do do that background music. New local variable. One. Mm-hmm. And place it right here. Are you serious right now? Oh shit! That didn't work out as how I wanted it to do. Then that did though. All right, cool. Loop body add. Make item stack. Oh Lord, have mercy. Okay. Oh, not okay. Delete. Right here then. Whew. Okay. Item stack single. Get. Okay. Right here. Okay, so take this out. Uh, right here, and then true goes here. Uh huh. Okay, so set right here. This true goes to this, but it has to be tied into something. Over here. destroy or extra inventory spot, right? Um, I'd say if you can't hold anymore, we just get a thing saying you can't hold any more of that item. The item stays there. You can't pick it up until you sell or use one. Uh, remove this then. Okay. You want me to delete this then? Okay. Right here. Okay. Oh, they both go there. I can take out the branch, right? Oh, okay. Um, Control C, and then boom, boom. Where does this thing go though? Oh, okay. Uh, I could have had it right here too. Don't, no. Oh, okay. Happened? Oh, a pinned. How you doing, horror? I'm making a horror game, horror. Take that out. Inventory slots right here. Yeah. Oh, I know all about that horror. Being tired. Get a copy. Ref. Okay. Reference. Okay. Yes, right here. Okay. Need more inventory slots. That's what I thought it at first too. Oh, from here. Okay. This is false. Ooh, that's a lot of shit. Yes, I know you love the blueprints. He's like, damn you, Sage, for using the blueprints. But have you seen my project yet, Horror, by the way? We're working on inventory right now. Well, actually, Green is working on inventory right now because this is above my level of understanding. All right, what you got next, Green? Or is your head fried? Okay. Okay. Take your time. Disease. It's a cold. I guess technically it does fall under the disease. But yeah, I'm currently working on this. Got some jump scares and stuff. This is we were working on that freaking thing there, but uh yeah. I probably got around, if a person takes their time, maybe like 10 minutes of gameplay, maybe. And that's just them running around looking for certain stuff and doing things. But I do have a lot of this area that I'm rolling through now complete. Got a flashlight that has batteries that's working and functioning correctly, mostly. And a stamina bar. We still have a lot of other stuff to add, but inventory is kind of taking priority so that we can add other stuff. And this is a starting room right here. Ignore the door. Okay, what's up? All right, you said the what 2D? The widget. Okay, I got you. I got you. I got you. All right, sounds good. What are we getting? Okay, so I can pretty much close out of everything up here or keep it up. Okay. Let's go to widgets over here. Gonna create a widget. Now we can use the widgets for that other thing, can't we? For the inventory? Well, I was talking about the images, only the images, not the actual widget. Because I really like to look out on that. Let's see, where is the widget? I'll just type it in. Which one? This one, blueprint. What kind? Okay. 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 Stack inventory widget. Oh, okay. Sounds good to me. Go into this one then, and then take the images of the other one. Yeah, it looks so cool, man. Come on. Let's see. Where was it at? Where are you at? Maybe in blueprints. No, not that. UI. Where the fuck is there? Oh, here it is. It's right here, right? So more or less, just take all this. Yeah, if this works, it'll be a fucking miracle. Yep. So it did not work. All right. Oh my god, I'm going to like sit down and try to emulate this piece by piece. Then it looks like if I close out of that and I open it back up, is it still going to be broke? It shouldn't be broke like that. Looks completely fucking different. Oh, is it? So I got to get several different ones. This one right. That was menu. So I'm looking for WBP inventory items. Okay. And delete all this then. Or not. Okay. Now I should be able to delete all the other stuff. Oh, I don't. Well, thought I was trying to get. I got nothing. Select all, and then what? Deselect what? The switcher. Con- Control C. Control V. It's not. It's not pasting. Oh. Oh. It threw me off. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. You're right. I'm a fucking idiot. I'm not even drinking, and I'm. It's still not working. Okay. Well, it pasted that time. Where is the size for this thing? Says should be. W size. It's showing 1922. Oops. Oh, that's alpha right here. Yeah, it's 1920 by 1080. That's what it should be. What's where? 0.6. I don't see it. Oh, right here, DPI. I think you're right. Whatever I posted just went down there. That's yeah, exactly. Um Question is okay, there's that one, that one, that one. I can just click everything. Hopefully. I don't want that. Fuck that. That can get deleted. I think even this. I don't want this one. I'm going to delete that. This right here. Okay. Good eye. You son of a fucking bitch. I guess I do got to keep them even though. Why didn't it not fucking move, man? I'm so fucking pissed. I hate this shit. I hate widgets like so much. It's like the bane of my fucking existence. Its only purpose in life is to fuck with me. Still miss one called fine. So this looks like it might go right around here. I'm not a widget guy either. Right. Well, it's a learning curve to say the least. Here's a list. And I think this box here is supposed to be at the top of this. This is supposed to go at the bottom of this. This text box, I have no fucking clue. Hovered item name. Okay, so it just hovers over the thing. And then what are these? H boxes. This one doesn't even have H boxes. Oh, they okay, those are those. Okay, text below. So what the fuck is this? So it should go in this. Why do these get resized so terribly too? Where'd it go? Oh, I'm glad you're a fucking genius. Text block can go down here, I suppose. That's fine. And then, what's that? It's not gonna work. Okay. God damn it! I hate it when that. Oh, Jesus. Oh, now I can't do any of it. Right. Okay. Where's the list at? Yeah. You mean 16? I thought they were. Oh God. So we need rows as well. Because I was thinking like item, item, item. I can move it around later. Why does this thing have arrows like that? Oh. So I don't. It could be H boxes or V boxes. I don't understand this. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Size. Okay. Okay. So each box can hold 4 items. So 4, 8, 12, 6. That's fine. That'll be fine. If I want to do it less, I can just do 3 per. So, but I think 4 starting out with 12, and then yeah, that should work. 4 items per. So that looks good. This would have to change that. I don't like those arrow images. I have to. What I can do is just delete that technically altogether, and then we can do a text box of 1, 2, 3, and 4. No, right. Okay. So what do we do? In graph? No. Oh no no no! It's not the. God damn it! It's not my BP. I was like, I thought for sure I had it. Oh, we got to put it on the first person blueprint. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let's do it. Here we go. Where you at, components? Okay, right here. I think it's this one. Oh, I know why. Right here. Okay, get inventory stat. Okay. So it'll be this one then. Let me save that real quick. All right, canvas. There we go. That item stack. Oh, okay. So okay, dokie. Oh, shit, my bad. Input. Stack the item. Stack. That's fine. And it we can delete this, you said? Yeah, my brain's not working too well either. Mm-hmm. Uh oh, for each item. Right. Right. I don't have no image or anything like that. What do we? Is there like the 2D texture is going to be placed in that? All right. Image. Okay. Sounds good. I got to go to the bathroom myself, so I'll be right back too. Man, I feel better. All right, back. I'll go ahead and try and get this image thing going. So we want it to be squared because each image is going to be square, right? So might have to change this canvas size though, I think. But we can do size of, let's say 1,000, 1,000, and we can. Oh, I guess something on the lines of that. So 1,100 and 1,100. So it's square. Oh, it's kind of big though, ain't it? It needs to come back down now. See, 10, 50, 10, 50. Oh, there we go. So 1080 by 1080. Just need it in the middle now. So we'll do alignment. Was it X? 0.5. What was the one? Ah. 0.5 should be where it's at, but it's not. It's due to the anchor. Um, all right, so that's where that is technically at. Interesting. And then why is the image off? What the fuck is that? Huh. So that's in the fucking middle. Then this ain't in the fucking middle, clearly. Ah, stupid keyboard. Okay. Anchor. Probably better if I had alignments at all at 0. I don't know. Well, anyways, I'll just go ahead and add a text. Oh, you're good, dude. Oh, you know you love that dog. All right, so I got the image or picture, I guess you could say, and then I got the text, but it's kind of behind it. But I think I can do a Z order on that, right? So Z order 1, so that should be a but. Oh, you know what? Just do this or not. There. Now the text should be ahead of the image, right? Technically, because I should see text. All right. I don't think it's exactly equal either, but that's whatever. It's not neither here or there because we don't even got the image ready. Yeah. Because I'm going to have to go here and help Dad fix his plumbing soon. So I can pile, save. What else? What else to finish this? Uh, I don't have a time. It's just kind of like, oh, he's home. I got to go help him do that stuff. He mentioned 9 o'clock, which is like 10 more minutes. Uh, all right, sounds good. I'll be off work tomorrow. Oh, not off some work. I'll get home at noon, so 6 o'clock your time. If you want to do more, then if you're not busy. Um, yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and close out of these real quick. Appreciate you, Green Arrow. Everyone give Green Arrow a round of applause. All you lurkers, bots, and untalkers. Hope you appreciated today's stream with Green Arrow coding and unfucking the stuff that I fucked up, which we still got plenty of stuff to unfuck in this place. That's for damn sure. And I will catch you all again. I got to do some freaking home improvements, Tim Allen style. So I'll catch you guys again next time. Take care. Bye bye. Woo. Well, my mic's muted, so no, it's not.